Thukuru wa AIRITU wa Wanjohi kaunti-ini ya Nyandarua ni utugitwo na IHEO itiganite ni undu wa kwandikithia maumirira mega ma kigeranio gia gibũrũri. Mwarimu munene wa thukuru uyu Matilda Chalo augite arutwo 72 nio marekete wega mwaka-ini muthiru na kugia na marks cia kumahotithia kuingira university itiganite guku bũrũri-ini.
We are awarding students, 72 students who qualify to go to the university in 2022. We are also very happy that he has initiated the project of building an administration block which is going to be a one-floor complex.
Idiona kurio uguo Chalo ugite ona thengia gukorwo thukuru uyu ugika wega mathomo-ini ndwagite mathina kiondorita kiuga arutani makoretwo magitungata arutwo rungu rwa ofici ino ya mabati.
The challenges we encounter in this place, first and foremost, is the cost of construction in this place because it stands on unstable ground, unstable soils. So for one to do a construction, it is very expensive.
Mwena-ini wake Gavana wa Nyandarua KIARIE BADILISHA nieranire kunyitanira na atongoria a Nyandarua niguo kuhumbariri thukuru uyu.
Alumni de matongoretie nitwauga nitukuongera 500,000 tuthi na mbere gucaria nginya resources kundu kungi tutigirire cukuru ni atuika center of excellence thiini wa itura riri.
Hamwe na uguo Gavana BADILISHA ni aruguritie mwaka wa ofici njeru thukuru-ini uyu mwaka uria utanyitwo kuhuthira kimanjika gia shilingi milioni 23 kuringana na murutani munene.
He has done the groundbreaking. The parents have already collected about 4 million and we are looking forward because it is really a multi-million structure. We are the bill of quantities indicates that it is going to take 23 million.
Mwena-ini wake MCA wa Wanjohi Isaac Kongo augite arutwo thukuru uyu wa Wanjohi ni gatagataini ka arutwo aria akoretwo agitigirira ni magunika na kigina kia basari.
MCA wa Wanjohi ndaheanite basari ya 440 support ya na 78 na hakwa kiumbe personally ta MCA rina ciana igiri supportaga gukuthomithagia thiini wa cukuru.
Hamwe na uguo kung'uniera hire tafarira cia mai iria ikinyanirio ni thirikari ya kaunti thukuru-ini uyu akiranira ingi nyingi makiria.
Tana igira thiini wa ithurano ni twahoirwo bwahuru guku ta county government tugiuka tukinyitanira na cukuru uyu kwenja bwahuru iharia iria iranyuo mai kwa na thina wa mai tondu mwarimu ahuraga mai kuma rwiri rwa Wanjohi rwi hakianda.
Handu-ini ha Kameme TV ritwa riakwa ni Wanjiku wa Batia.